Today we'll see how to speed up the Android phone to get better performance. Let's dive into the topic. First and foremost step is always turn off the animation mode. Android devices display animation when there is any transition between apps, windows or any other menus. It takes up time and sometimes can even cause the phone to lag also. Let's see how we can do this settings. Go to settings. There you can find developer option. Come down. In case you are not getting this developer option, don't worry, go to settings and select system and about phone. There you can see the option build number. Tap this build number 7 times. Once you come out under the settings, you can find this developer option. Go and select this developer option. Click OK. Come down. Select the advanced developer option. There you can see animation. See here there are 3 types of animation available: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Turn off all these animations. Select animation off for all these 3 options. That's it. Done. Now you can save more of the memory space. It will increase the RAM speed. Second option is stop syncing. Sync is a very good feature. However, it will affect Android performance by refreshing the home screen at frequent interval. So keep sync off for unrequired services, or else if you want to transfer or upload any file to Google server, that time itself you can enable this sync option. Let's see how we can do that. The same thing, go to settings, select account and sync. Under this you can find this Google option. Select this, select your Gmail. See, in this case I don't want this calendar, weather, notes, those things. So I am disabling this sync option for these features. That's it. Avoid live wallpaper. Live wallpapers that are badly made will need more CPU cycles to run. So to change the settings, go to settings and select personalize, change the wallpaper. Always use static wallpaper. Fourth one is, if you want to speed up your browser, you want to use less mobile data, then you have to enable the light mode on your Google Chrome browser. Go to Google Chrome and select settings. Under this you can find light mode. Enable this light mode. Now you can save more of the mobile data. Fifth step is disable background data for apps. Some heavy apps that eat up good percentage of your battery and RAM. Switch off the background activity for these apps to save your memory and data. In my case, I will get most of the notification from Facebook, so I gonna switch off this background activity. Let's see how we can do this. Go to settings and select Facebook. Under apps you can select Facebook. Select data usage. Here you can see restrict background data. Click this option. One more thing is, you no longer get any notification until you open this app. If you want to get notification, then you have to enable this option. Sixth is clear cache or restart. Always restart your mobile at least once in a week. This will delete the temporary files that will accumulate the particular app over time and use memory. To do this manually, go to settings and select apps. Now I am selecting Facebook. Once you click the storage, you will get clear cache option. Clear this. Seventh option is check background services. Once you go to settings and developer options, then you can find this option running services. Using this you can find what are the background apps are running on your home screen. If you don't want that app run on the background, then you can stop that app. Let's see. These are the apps running on the background. So I don't want Messenger to run on the background, so I am just stopping this option. One is uninstall or disable apps. Few apps we'll use very rarely, once or twice in a month. So for that apps, you can just go to settings, apps and disable it. When we are getting new mobile, we'll see most of the default apps. Mostly we won't use those default apps. So you can go to settings and uninstall those default apps. Otherwise you can disable it. This will save the most of the memory space. Let's see how I am doing. Go to settings. This whisk app I will use very rarely. So I am gonna disable it. Whenever required, I will come to the setting option, then I will enable it. Always update your Android mobile. If you are not updating your Android mobile, then you are keeping your mobile on risk. Always update apps regularly and also keep fewer widgets in your home screen. If you follow all these steps, then you can improve the Android performance. Hope all these informations are useful to you. Thanks for watching.